Hey people, so like I said, now it is going to be an attempt that I want to make to speak about certain very nice Instagram profiles and basically any line of business or anything that I find very unique and very fascinating. So I feel I should make a video on it. So there is this particular profile. It's, I think, a Latin American profile. It's called Fabio Rock Martins, and you can find it on Instagram. And there is this certain self-composed tune that I came across, which is so, like, it will blow your mind. Yeah, I mean, it is just so, I can listen to it on loop. So sometimes, ever since the lockdown, now there's so many of these Indian artists also who are coming up. I mean, not just coming up, yeah, they've always been there, but people are discovering them, like Pratik Kuhad. And then yesterday I heard another gentleman. His song is Aadmi Chutiya Hai. That's his song. But really, no. So what I'm saying is, Fabio Rock Martins. You'll have to visit the Instagram profile to listen to his self-composed music, because it is divine. I mean, I think when I kick the bucket and reach heaven, I'll hear music of that order. It is that good. So I'll just post his profile ID here. It's called Fabio Rock Martins, and it is brilliant. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.